Hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another deep dive. We're diving into EON Reality's transformative defense training transformation program, designed to bridge the critical skills gap in Europe's defense forces. With Europe's defense modernization investment hitting historic highs, the biggest challenge is not the technology, but the readiness of the personnel to operate these advanced systems. This is where EON Reality comes in.
That's right. Traditional military training methods are just too slow for the pace needed to keep up with the rapid deployment of new air defense systems, armored vehicles, and naval platforms. EON's XR platform, with sleek smart glasses and AI-powered guidance, helps accelerate training and readiness by 4x. This is the future of defense, where training is efficient, immersive, and scalable.
It's not just about learning how to operate advanced equipment. It's about understanding complex multi-domain operations and improving coordination between multinational forces. With EON's training, soldiers can learn in real time with hands-on simulations that give them the ability to practice without any of the risks.
And it's not just a small-scale solution. EON's platform can be deployed across NATO member states, ensuring interoperability and standardization, so forces can coordinate seamlessly during operations. Using AI-powered mentorship, soldiers get personalized guidance throughout their training, regardless of their experience level or background.
This isn't just about cutting-edge tech. It's about a global transformation in how we train our defense personnel. Whether it's operating advanced military systems, mastering cyber defense, or coordinating naval tactics, EON's platform ensures soldiers are mission-ready faster with greater precision.
It's time to take defense readiness to the next level, and EON Reality is making that possible. Europe's security requires not just new equipment, but a skilled, ready workforce to operate it. And this program provides the foundation to make that happen.
This program is the future of defense training, dynamic, scalable, and ready to meet the demands of modern warfare. Let's transform the way Europe's forces prepare for the challenges ahead.
Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.